Candace, would you please instruct us in this sequence as if you're teaching a class? All right, let's go.
All right, so in your space, find your comfortable seated. Crossing the legs, making sure they're comfortable. Bringing hands to the knees. Let's just first do 4 deep inhales, connecting to the breath, the natural rhythm of our breath. So we're going to inhale through the nose. Feel the belly expanding. Exhale out the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, sigh breath. Now taking 2 breaths using only nostrils. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Exhale. Bring hands into prayer. Just rub the palms together. And staying with your energy. Inhale, exhale through the nose. Start to rotate the shoulders. Bringing hands into fists, rotating shoulders to the back. Stay with your breath. More powerful breath. Let's go a little faster. And changing direction, coming to the front, reverse. Bringing hands back into prayer. Let's rub the palms together. Deep inhale, big sigh breath. Hands alongside, preparing for your side body stretch. Remember, if your shoulders are worrying you, to modify this and work with your body where you are in your practice. Inhale, exhale. Moving side to side. You start to feel it. Deepest breath. When you're ready, we're going to go a little bit faster. Using your exhale. Come back to center, change legs, opposite direction. I'm just going to switch your legs. Bring the other leg in front. Inhale. Exhale, side body. And on an inhale, come up, bring hands into prayer, rub the palms together. Big inhale, big sigh breath. And bringing feet into butterfly. Taking hands either over your ankles or interlace the fingers underneath the big toes. Get even in the sit bones. See where your feet are comfortable. You can send those heels a little further away or bring them closer in. See what naturally feels good for your body. Softening shoulders down, away from the ears. Take an inhale, lengthen through the crown. Exhale, begin to forward fold. As you bring the body forward, keep those shoulders away from ears. And wherever you feel that's as far as your body can fold, you're going to relax and soften your head down towards your mat or towards the floor. Take another 2 deep breaths here. Inhale. On every exhale, you're softening a little more. On an inhale, tucking in your chin, gently bring the body up. Let's turn and extend the legs out long. Shake them out. And just get even in those sit bones. Soften shoulders, create length in the spine. One-legged boat pose. Extending, you can grab the foot or noose your big toe with your index finger. Taking that opposite arm to the base. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, relax it down. Reversing to the opposite side. Keep those shoulders soft, create length through the tip of the crown. Exhale down, shake out the legs. Bring feet into butterfly. Now we're going to just take it a little wider, making that diamond shape with the legs. So you're sending the heels a bit further away from the body. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, if it's comfortable, taking your hands towards the mat. Try and bring the fingertips to touching, keeping that diamond shape, shoulders soft. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, tucking in the chin. Bringing that body up one vertebra at a time. Extend the legs, shake them out. Let's come back to center, folding the legs where you're comfortable. Just bringing the arms out in front, grabbing hold of the fingers. And shake it out. Moving across, other side. Shake it out. Rub those palms together one last time. Bring hands into prayer in front of the heart space. Big inhale through the nose. Exhale to out the mouth.